Hi, I'm Tom, and here are a few ways to keep your PVC or composite deck looking great. Cleaning is so important, at least twice a year. Dislodge dirt between boards. You can use a broom or mild soap and water. Always brush in the direction of the pattern. If you use a pressure washer, use the spread attachment at no more than 3000 psi and with the tip at least 10 inches away. Never use a shovel or anything with a sharp edge for removing snow, ice, cleaning, or scraping. This can cause damage. For protection, place a vinyl mat under the grill. Mold growth can be removed and treated with a mild water and dish soap solution or with non-abrasive chlorine-free cleansers. If mold keeps coming back, it could be a drainage or airflow issue. Oil and grease spills should be quickly cleaned with a mild water and dish soap solution or a cleanser recommended by the manufacturer. The best part about PVC or composite decking is that with a little bit of regular cleaning, it will look great for years to come.